First of all, fantabulous, spectacular, ride and shine to all the companions. Good morning. So, welcome to International English Institute. So today here a role play is going to be taking the place over here. So we have a customer and seller. So just have wheel of time and just pull your hands together and now you can see.
Okay, so hello sir, are you sleeping? Why are you sleeping, sir?
Okay.
Any strangers come and stole anything from your shop?
No, ma'am. There's first of all there's CCTV also, and sorry for that because there is no customer. Just because of that I am sleeping.
Okay,
so
sir.
sorry for that.
Okay, no problem, sir. So, sir, I want to buy something new jeans and tops for myself also, and also I want to buy something new. Types of clothes which is really going in trend right now for my friends as a gift. So can you show me something?
Okay, yes, I will show you. First of all, I will show you some of the jeans kind of things. So firstly, you can see, and then you can tell whatever you want to want another kind of things. And yes, you can see there's there are so many stretches also there. You can see in that row. Like
okay, sir.
which kind of the jeans
you can show me some jeans really.
Okay. So like which kind of the jeans you want?
Like top to bottom, which is really important for me. So you can show me as a black color of the jeans, so I can.
Okay. Yes, you can see there is also some of the colors varieties and some of the.
Sir, like it's the quality of this jeans really very cheap, so I don't want.
No, ma'am, it's not like that.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, you can see another one also. There is some of the like the expensive
okay.
also.
Can you give me?
Yes, you can see that. Yes, you can take it.
Okay, so what is the cost of this jeans?
Only, ma'am, like 1,000.
So much price maybe you are saying right now because it's not look like that. So how you can?
No, ma'am. You can ask to the another one also, another shop also. They will also that price never give.
Sir,
another
please,
one never
I
give.
am your regular customer. How
Yes, I know, ma'am. You are the regular, but listen about me. Like every time I give you the same price.
Okay.
So definitely now I'm not giving you the high prices.
Okay, but it's not look so much nice on me. So you can show me some another color.
No, you can after wearing it will look more nice. Right now it's nice, but after wearing it will look more nice.
Just don't try to buttering me. I know how always try sellers to convey their
No,
customers.
I never do that kind of things to
Okay.
you, ma'am. You also know that. So
Yes.
definitely it's really beautiful. If you will wear, so definitely it will look more nice to you.
Okay, so you can show me some another colors of this jeans.
Yes, you can see another color like the blue and the black. Already I said to you, and the green.
And what is the cost of this blue color jeans?
Okay, the blue color, the cost is increasing like the 2,000.
Sir, right now you are just saying more amount of this jeans. I
But
will not
ma'am,
give so much money.
That like that jeans is branded jeans, so definitely.
Which kind of branded? Like why?
Like it's
about the Ambani type.
No.
No, sir.
No,
please
it's
just
not like.
I like this jeans really, but the price is really very high. So please, you can give me some little bit discount so I can buy easily.
Okay, I will give you the 100 rupees discount. So definitely.
It's too much less for me. So you can give me this jeans in like 1,000 rupees, so I will buy.
Definitely, ma'am. It's not like I cannot do anything because you know about the quality of our shop. We never give the wrong thing to customer. The customer is good for us. So definitely we will not give you the like the bad kind of thing. So definitely.
No, sir, there is no need. But I want to just please try to just talk with your manager, so it will try to give some discount.
Definitely, ma'am. Manager will not do anything. Even whatever I less in amount, definitely it's like the manager will say to me why you did.
Last amount you can give me this jeans in like 1200.
Okay, no, only the 15, the last price. Definitely, the 15.
Okay, I am your regular customer and you are not doing fair with me. Really, it is
really,
not
ma'am.
good.
I give you the discount also.
But it's
the
too
500.
much less.
So how I can give you?
Okay, you can show me some another sari because I want to give my friends. So
okay, for your friends.
Yes.
So like which kind of the sari you want?
Give me like good quality of sari and in a good price. So then I will buy.
Okay, I will give you the good sari, but just tell me which kind of the sari you want.
Like silk sari, which is really going in trend right now. I want to show. You can show me some.
Okay, yes, you can see there is like that available. You can see the colors and the designing kind of things also available, so you can see which kind of the saree you want.
Sir, really, I am not like just. You can like wear this saree, so I can really
So how
know how it looks on my friend.
So how I can wear about that? I don't.
I see so many customers, so many sellers who can also wear the saree to show in front of the customer. So you can also do this.
But you can wear. You can. I will give you the chance to wear. You
Okay,
can
so
wear.
you can-
After that, you can see yourself. Yes, how you are. So you can
no
wear
problem. Okay, so any other saree you have?
that. Yes, we have the another. You don't like in that?
I don't like because you are not wearing and I cannot clarify everything which kind of embroidery.
Yes, you can see, ma'am. You can see the one by one. You can see. Yes, you
Okay,
can see
you can
that.
open first of all.
Yes, you can see this.
Okay. Okay, not so much good. You can show me
Okay,
another.
so you can see that you like.
The color
Yes,
is
you
very,
can
very
see.
dark. The color is very, very dark.
So we having a light
Bright
color.
color, you can show me something.
Yes, we have a light colors also. Yes, you can see this one.
Okay.
This one is
What
good.
is the price?
The price, really, I will not give you the high prices. That price is 5,000. Really, the 5,000, not
Sir.
that much. That price is not that much, ma'am.
No, sir, I'm really sorry, but it is really too much. Please give me this saree in like 2,000-3,000 maybe.
Ma'am, how I can say? Like, if you want.
For everyone.